Hey everybody, it's Rob Nazarian with Talk Android, and we're looking at 3D Space Golf today. This is by DMW Media, and we actually reviewed one of their latest games several months ago, which was 3D Mini Golf, and that's of course a miniature golf game, and so is this. The only difference is, I think you can tell by the word space, it's set in space, whereas the other one was set just basically in the sky with some nice scenic views. There's different ways of playing the game. You can play course play, or there's a hole-in-one challenge where your only job is to try to get a hole-in-one, and that's it. And of course they're advertising their previous game right there. But let's just go right into course play. They make it very easy. It's 9 planets here, and every single one has a different look to it and different feel. And there you go. The first two planets are, oops, I went too far back, are free with the game, and if you like it, it's 18 holes, 9 holes each, and if you like it, $1.99 gives you the rest of the planets. Now let's just go right into Mercury right here. Now, normally in miniature golf, you get 3 shots or 4 shots or whatever, and that's what it is. But with this, they keep track of your shots, but you get a star system similar to Angry Birds. So you're going to get 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, depending on how well you do. Now, gameplay is very easy. You just rotate right here. You can rotate all the way around and look around. However, you can't move around the course, which that's about the only downfall. But you get the idea once you play through one round. And then the hit, you just basically hit the hit button, and you'll see the speed indicator there. That's the lowest point, and over here's the highest point. You can hit it anytime you want. You don't have to hit it on the first time that it goes up. So at any point you can hit it. And I'm going to go ahead and hit it fairly hard here and see how we end up. Not bad. And then I can go ahead and rotate here. I'm going to have to try to get this down that hill. So we're going to go ahead and try to hit it hard again. I hit it too hard. As you can see, it went off the edge. So, whoops, I hit the home button by mistake. And there we go. And that's not bad right there. I don't think I'm going to get 3 stars on this, obviously, because I had a foul there. Now you can always restart here by hitting this and doing retry or going to the main menu. Okay. So just, you want this to be slow, and there you go. 2 stars. This is probably pretty much what I expected. So now we're going to go to the next level, but actually I'm going to go back. Navigating is a little weird with this. You have to come all the way out and get back in. But normally you don't have to do that too much. You're mostly just retrying. Let's take a look at Venus here. And a completely different look, as you can see. Rotating, there's the hole there. And you can see there's a drop off and there's a hole here. We certainly don't need to hit it down here. We need to go into here, land over here. So I'm going to try to hit this fairly hard, and hopefully it doesn't bounce off, and it did. And that one's not far enough. Now I did get 3 stars on this, so there we go. Not this time around though. And this is a pretty far shot. See if we can aim that in. Probably a little too hard. Maybe on the bounce back? No. Alright, let's just go and go to the main menu and just look at another hole, or another course, shall we say. And let's take a look at Earth. We're used to being on Earth here, and of course it looks a lot like their old game. And this one actually you have to go around, and you want to go up and around. I forget how I did this. I didn't quite make it around. And actually I did very bad there. I don't know if I can sneak through now. I don't think I can. Nope. So you can go in here and just quickly hit retry, as you can see, just like any other type of game. A little harder there. Let's see if I swung it around. And I went in the water. So you can see it's not the easiest game in the world, but as you play, you get the idea. And we'll go back to the main menu again, and let's just jump ahead to, well, let's go to Saturn. See what Saturn's doing. This one here looks fairly easy, actually. Actually, I think I can actually hit this straight through without avoiding these, if I remember how I did it. Let's see if I did it. Yep. And there you go. So actually, this is a good one to get a hole-in-one. I'm not going to take the next shot. But let's just go to the main menu and show you one more. Some of them are, like I said, you know, can be fairly easy. Let's look at Jupiter. And this has a ramp where you're going to go around, and actually there's some things blocking it there. And you want to try to get as far over as you can right here, so you can sneak in. Whoops. So you can, wrong way. So you can sneak in through these things that are blocking and then make it up the ramp. But the thing is, there's no back thing there, so you don't want to go too hard. If I go too hard, I'll fall off the edge. And that one I did pretty good. It's not always easy to talk and play at the same time. I only got 1 star on that. I don't know how that happened. You can see it's not necessarily easy at all. And go to the main menu. Now let me just also show you, just for the heck of it, the hole-in-one challenge. There are different areas for here as well. I believe the first 2 are also free. It's $1.99 to unlock the rest. So you can go in here to Nebula, and your job is to get a hole-in-one. So I gotta try to aim this right and give it a good push, and I didn't get it through right. We'll retry it quickly here. And that's not going to be good unless I get it on the bounce off. I might. Just missed it. So anyway, it's 3D Space Golf. Check it out. It's free of charge. It's fun. It's simple to play, and it'll kill some time. When you need to kill some time, you're at a doctor's office or whatever, it is a perfect game. Check it out. 3D Space Golf. It's free for 18 holes and a lousy $1.99 if you like the game, which you can't complain about that. So again, thanks for watching. This is Rob Nazarian with Talk Android.